Now that we have these values, we need to do another thing. So first of all, this is called, let's have another row here. I'm gonna paste this. This is, okay, income and expenses analysis for current year. Okay, then we need some values here. These are the totals, and then here we're going to, okay, we have other columns. Okay, this is also make like this. Okay, we have running totals. We can put this in bold like this. To do with the financing. So here we have the income is this one. Okay, and these are also expenses. So this is this, and this is this. Minus this, and this one is equal to this minus this. Don't ask me this. If you're working in finance, you know this. So we have this. Okay, we can also cost of sales, and this is the running total. So income minus the expenses. Then we have gross profit. Then we have the expenses, fixed and semi-fixed expenses, and this one is gross profit minus the fixed and semi-fixed expenses. Then we have here the variable expenses that we are going to subtract here from this one, and then we have net profit. Okay, so now we're going to create another graph, which is basically this one with this. I'm going to insert a chart like this, but we are going to do the following. Here again, legend. Okay, and we need the following. We need first of all, we're going to select this one, and this is series overlap is 100% and gap width is 150. Okay, we get this. And second, here we're going to change chart type combo. This one we're going to have this one. So now we get this area, and we're going to do the following. For this, we're going to change this color. Okay, we're going to have this color, this color. For this one, we're going to have no fill, no line, and this one we're going to change with this color, this color. I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to like this. Okay, I'm going to move them a bit, this, even like this, and I'm going to select this, format, align, top. Yeah, perfect. So here we are. We have also this. Okay, expenses net profit. So we don't need to have these values that we had here. Okay, we have the running total here. If you are familiar with finance, now you understand how you can use the data that I just showed to you and create charts and dashboards. Okay.